Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert a mono track to stereo in Audacity. First, open Audacity and drag your mono track into the software. You can hear this only on the left speaker or left headphone. It means that this audio is mono, which has only one channel, in this case, the left channel. Next, select your track and go to Edit, then Duplicate. Now we have two identical tracks. Our task is almost done. We need to normalize the recording to ensure it is not too loud or too quiet. Go to Effect, then Normalize. Keep the default setting of 1 decibel and click OK. Now, what you need to do is head over to File and click Export Audio. A window will pop up here. Select Export to Computer. After that, you can name your track and set a folder where you want to save it. Also, you can select the format of the track. Once done, make sure in the Channels option you select the stereo option. That's it. This is a super easy method to change your mono track to stereo. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.